Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Adele. So today's subject is about clothing alteration and repair services price list. Tara, punta tayo sa Victory Mall, Libertad, Pasay City. Punta tayo sa mga clothing alteration or clothing repair shop. I-check natin yung mga services price list nila. Tara, let's go! Ano-ano ba ang ginagawa ng clothing alteration or repair shop? Ano ba ang purpose nila? At ano-ano rin ang mga madalas pinapa-repair or pinapa-alter? Ang purpose po nito ay para maayos, para ma-adjust, para mapalitan, para mapalitan yung mga sirang parte ng damit o kaya naman pwedeng paliitin ang mga parte ng damit tulad ng sleeve, neckline, palit zipper, pagpuputol ng pants, at ma-restore o maibalik sa original hemline, at ganon din naman to alter so that it will fit you perfectly. Yan yung mga ginagawa sa alteration shop. By the way guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Baclaran, Rojas Boulevard, Baclaran Park. Nakita nyo naman, medyo maluwag ang daan, makulimlim nga lang. Pasensya na kayo kung paminsan-minsan malubak. Mamaya papasok tayo sa service road. Thank you nga pala guys sa pagsama nyo sa akin. Ayan, lumiko na tayo. Ay, hindi ko inaasahan na ganito. Half road close at saka medyo malubak. Pinili ko yung daan na to kasi kala ko mas safe at saka mas mabilis tayo. Ayan, medyo na lubak tayo. Pasensya na. Yan, liliko na tayo sa Cuneta Astrodome. Actually, first time ko rin dito dumaan. Maraming mga nakaparadang sasakyan sa magkabilang bahagi ng daanan at marami ring tao. And then, by observation, malapit pala to sa City Hall. Or some part of government agency office ay nandito yata, kaya medyo may mga taong nakapila. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinipilahan nila eh. Yan, liliko na tayo sa papuntang FB Horizon, and then magta-turn right tayo pa Libertad. Sandali na lang, straight ahead, at andito na tayo sa Taft, Pasay Taft, Libertad, at doon yung Victory Mall. Pansin ko lang, walang masyadong jeep, which is mabuti naman. Kaya lang, may mga ilang pasaway na driver. Awang nasa unahang sasakyan. U-turn pa more sa gitna ng kalsada. Ito po tayo sa Victory Mall, Pasay City. Nandito tayo sa Vince Dress Shop. Ayan. Nakikita niyo nagtatahe si Miss Grace, ang aking alumni batchmate. That's the Taguig! Hey, ayan. Gumagawa siya ng polo for men. Trubinized collar or two-piece collar kung tawagin. Say hi!
Hello!
Sige, gawa ka lang dyan. Interviewin kita pag break time mo. Ayan. Marami silang ginagawa dito eh. Gumagawa rin sila ng gown. Ito, kinakat pa sa tela. Paguhit-guhit pa, oh. Pantayanday, ha? Ayan. Nakarating din tayo dito sa Victory Mall, Pasay City, Libertad. Ngayon mo lang ako isa-subscribe, maldita ka. Hindi, kasi sobrang busy mo eh. No? Hello! May deadline kasi ang Lola Grace nyo, kaya hindi ko siya ma-store para ma-meet yung deadline. Ano-ano pa mga tinatay mo? Skirt? Pencil cut skirt? Okay. A-line. Ha? Ay, kala ko skirt. Overlap. Okay, ganda ha. Yun o, bonggang-bongga si Grace. Ayan, professional na siya. Oo, tama yan.
Baka ngayong gabi, di ba may pasok ngayon? Ngayon ako i-apply.
Sige, pag-tingin mo yung work mo ha, may you be an expert in the near future. Dito sa Beans Dress Shop in Victory Mall, Pasay City, they also accepting other services like made-to-order clothing, merong uniform, blouse, and skirt, at meron ding mga dresses for casual occasion and special occasion, may mga gown, gumagawa din sila. At ang time operation is open from 9 to 8 p.m. Ayan, medyo nagpaalam na muna si Grace kasi meron pa siyang hahabuling deadline. Ngayon, tayo naman, samahan nyo ako, pupunta tayo sa Imus, Cavite. Ngayon, eto, baybayin natin yung, kamustahin naman natin yung daan dito sa Taft Avenue, bale ilalim ng LRT Taft, itong binabaybay natin papuntang Baclaran. Nakakatuwa namang makita na ang kahabaan ng Pasay Taft ay malinis na at wala nang nakakalat ng basura. From Victory Mall, Pasay, baybayin natin ang Pasay Taft. Ang ending nito ay intersection ng EDSA, passing through Baclaran, and then Tambo, Don Galo, La Huerta, Cabiasnan, And then, pasok tayo ng Las Piñas, gawing bamboo organ, and then, Zapote, going to Bacoor, at yan na, malapit na tayo sa Imus.
What did you think about the ride?
It was great. And apparently, I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently apparently Grandpa just gives me a remote after we watch the Powerball.
It's the Powerball. Tell me about the ride. What did you think about the ride?
Well, it was great
Why?
because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy,
Yeah.
that's all you do is get dizzy.
Fun?
Yeah. And I've never ever been on live television. I never ever be on live
Are
television.
you excited?
Yeah, and apparently I only went down the super slide. When I went down the one, I was scared half to death. I just freak out.
Okay. What I need his name. Hold on. Yep. Hold on. I'm just gonna ask him. What's his name? Noah. Noah. What's your last name?
Dick Ritter.
How do you spell his last name?
Ritter, R-I-T-T-E-R.
Okay. Where are you guys from? Wilkes-Barre. All right, buddy. Good stuff. Have fun.
Come with the carriage, there's a boy up here looking for you.
Three different towns.
Oh, right.
There's a boy here
That
looking
is
for you.
my dad's town, Jersey.
Tom Gibbon, you dare him.
Many hours later.
Dito sa palengke ng Imus, I think merong mga more than 10 shops o patahian ng mga damit dito, at nag-alter din sila. Tingnan natin, kaya lang mga ilang shops lang ang makikita natin kasi nung dumating tayo, na halos pa-closing na kasi sila. Pasyalan natin ang Sandra's Dress Shop dito sa Imus, Cavite. Dito lang po sa palengke ng Imus. Ano-ano nga ba ang madalas ipa-alter o ipa-repair ng mga client? Usually po, nagpapa-resize ng garment. Nagpapaikli ng mga damit, mga palda, pantalon, sleeves, neckline, fixing ripped jeans, replacing broken zipper, at ang palagian pong o karamihang ginagawa ay putol ng pants at pabaston. Some advice before doing the alteration service. Una po, i-check nyo muna yung item before. I-check nyo if there is defect para ma-inform nyo po yung client. At mabigyan po ito ng pansin kasi minsan po nabibili po yung damit, meron ng kasamang sira na, so hindi naman napapansin ng client, so you have to check it carefully. And then number 2, ask the customer to sign the desired length for the record purpose po.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
In today's world, pattern making has become necessary for a fashion designer to make garments of different body sizes. Pattern making is quite interesting and important for a student, and it helps the people of any age group to interpret the designs and understand the designs with technical ability. Flat pattern method is the technique of developing patterns for a varied styles by modifying a basic pattern. Hi guys, good morning. We are here at Tanasar. We are going to watch a film showing here and we are waiting for the film to start. And here are my batchmates here in this making class. Say hi! Okay, alright. Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here in drafting room. Today I'm gonna put on the gown that I made. This is the off-shoulder gown.
Hindi namin yan lagi ang pangalan ng napitulan. Smiley naman.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video and actually learned something. Also, thank you for taking the time to support me and please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.